sources telling us that no NCP leader has received the cabinet call yet. We are also learning that Devendra Fadnavis was holding a meeting with leaders of the NCP. This includes Ajit Pawar, Chhagan Bhujbal, Sunil Tatkare and Praful Patel.
We have constantly seen that how the series of meetings were taking place of Ajit Pawar and his faction leaders with Devendra Fadnavis and also the top notch of the BJP of the NDA. But clearly here no call has been received. We were also seeing earlier that Praful Patel and Sunil Tatkare's name were given. Sunil Tatkare remains the top experienced leader of the Ajit Pawar camp. He has also won the only seat of the NCP this time in this Lok Sabha election, and completely there has been a failure in succeeding the NDA in Maharashtra by the Ajit Pawar camp, and henceforth the eyes were that how the cabinet or the another portfolios will be given to that faction, and that's why no call has been received by the NCP of Ajit Pawar.
राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसला आमच्या वतीनं किंवा सरकारच्या वतीनं एक जागा ऑफर करण्यात आली होती. राज्यमंत्री स्वतंत्र प्रभार अशा प्रकारे ही जागा त्यांना देण्यात आली होती. परंतु त्यांचा आग्रह असा होता की आमच्याकडनं श्री प्रफुल्ल पटेल यांचं नाव फायनल आहे आणि ते आधी मंत्री राहिलेले आहेत, त्यामुळे त्यांना आम्हाला राज्यमंत्री स्वतंत्र प्रभार हे करता येणार नाही.